Crorepati Mindset. Are you pertinent? What is this Crorepati mindset? So for being a Crorepati, particular mindset is required. Exactly. Let's try to understand how does it work. Our thoughts leads to our feelings. Quite obvious. And then our feeling leads to certain actions. And our actions leads to the results. And let us find out from where these thoughts originate. So this supercomputer, or the Param Indian version, Suparam, has certain programming which is done in our childhood, in our upbringing. So the programming is responsible for our thoughts. So programming, thoughts, feeling, action, and then results. So if you are not satisfied with the kind of results you are getting today, you need to go back and change what thoughts? No, the programming. If you could do that, you would definitely have Crorepati mindset. That is what we learn and practice in Crorepati Mind Club. So we welcome you there.